Entertainment Park.
Launch Entertainment Park just opened up this Monday, April 4th, and we're gonna go check it out. It's 50,000 square feet of family entertainment. When you first walk in to the left, you're gonna have to check in, but there's also the Omni Arena and the arcade. You do have to sign a waiver, and then I'm gonna show you the pricing that they have. So you do have a few options. You can choose 2 for $25, 3 for $32 each, or 5 for $39 each. Honestly, I would probably go the choose 5. At this moment, they haven't finished the axe throwing or the laser tag, so I would keep checking on their social media pages and ask if it's done. But for the choices, you have a 2-hour adventure pass, and I'll show that. And then there's the axe throwing coming soon, 40 arcade credits, a Crave combo meal with drink, 1 hour of bowling, the Omni virtual reality, sports court game, and the Bar Hop signature drink voucher. So if a lot of those things sound fun, I would choose the 5 for the best deal. You can also just pay for bowling, and then they have birthday parties as well. So some of the packages are up to $1,400 or as low as $389. That is the bowling over here, the bar, and the arcade. We're gonna go see what they have. They have some drinks, of course. They have pizza, looks like ice creams and stuff too. Cookies and cream toppings. That's pretty good. And then, so these are the games. Quick Drop, King Kong, Bucket, Minecraft, SpongeBob, Monopoly, Big Bass, Lane Master.
6 credits, 5 credits.
Okay, this is 5 credits. Then you only get 40 credits. You get 40 credits with the $25 deal. Okay, this is you get 2 hours of this trampoline play area. If you want to do that. So it's a 2-hour adventure pass. So there's some trampoline stuff over here. Looks like, just a little obstacle course. This way too. The 2-hour adventure pass says it includes the trampoline, ninja course, dodgeball, launch pad, launch and duck, knockout, zip line, the meltdown, and battle pit. And there is a play area the kids, of course, are gonna like. Now they do have axe throwing too. That's not open yet. Looks like you can still see it's kind of being built. I do like that you have 2 hours in this area. It is a little small, so I don't know. I think after about 30 minutes, the kids would probably be done. But it's nice you can have 2 hours. There's a timer up there too. You get a wristband, and then there's a timer up there. And the trampoline. Now the kids will probably like it right here in the trampoline. Yeah, and then they are headed to this. I guess this isn't an extra cost. They can just play in this area. She said usually there's workers here, but I mean, honestly, you never want to leave your kids, alone. So regardless whether there's a worker or not, one of us will be staying over here. But this is actually a really cute playground, especially because adults are going to want to do different things, and then the kids can come run around over here. Here is the basketball court, which is a good size. It's listed as one of the things you can choose, and then this is the rest of the arcade. So they have a few more arcades over here. I wouldn't come specifically for the arcade. There are some bigger ones throughout Central Florida, and I will link our arcade playlist down below. But it still is a good size if you just want to play for a little bit and then you want to do something else. I will say that they have a good variety here of things to do to keep you busy for a few hours. This is again back at the front, the Omni area, the bowling, the arcade, the trampoline, and the basketball here with the playgrounds. So this is just a quick tour of the launch entertainment park. If we do come back, it will be when the laser tag comes back, because that's one of the things that we would really like to do. We like to do as a family.
I think this is their favorite part. So this part's great for the little ones. I really have to say that, oh wow, that's fun. I have to say the playground's like the best part for them.
That you can jump in here. Surprise!
Yeah, it's like a squishy. Oh, that might be for the party. Maybe that's for the parties up there. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back when the laser tag is open, because that's one of the things we want to do with our pass. Maybe we'll do the 4 or pick 5. We'll do the food, the laser tag, the arcade, maybe bowling, and this like jump thing. So I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna come back and do that. It's like a little food, and they do have some prizes here. Just like a little section. I mean, obviously, because the arcade's pretty small. They have Among Us, which the kids would like. Some candies.
Among Us, Pumpkin.
I know. And then these little like cheapy ones.
Stay epic and subscribe for more videos to the channel and subscribe.